Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to secure WhatsApp account, only way. Go to Settings, Account, Two-Step Verification, enable it, choose a 6-digit PIN, and add a recovery email address. This creates an extra lock beyond SMS codes and prevents casual hijacking when SIM swaps happen. Treat the PIN like a password and never store it in plain text where others could access it on your devices. Use built-in app locks and device checks to add practical protections. Turn on biometric or passcode lock inside WhatsApp, then inspect linked devices often and sign out of anything you don't recognize. That reduces risk from lost phones or unauthorized browser sessions. Combine app lock with two-step verification for layered security and treat any unexpected login prompts as a signal to change your PIN and check connected devices right away. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical security guides. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, makes a great companion to thinking long-term about digital safety and personal finance. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoy it, share the video with a friend. Now let's get back to the video. Secure account details and backups to keep conversations private. Refuse to give verification codes, PIN, or backup passwords to anyone, and enable end-to-end encrypted backups so cloud copies stay protected. Regular updates to your phone operating system and WhatsApp app close security holes attackers exploit. Together, these steps create sensible layers that protect you from social engineering, SIM attacks, and data leaks without adding much friction to daily use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.